bitch vaping on. Egg whites, turkey bacon on. Ain't in a restaurant, but I'm the bitch they been waiting on.
I'm looking for somebody I can call. Looking for the only one I can give my all to. Tell me that it's you. What you wanna do. You can be my I'll do home. You can give me extra credit, baby. I'll do more. What you wanna do. Now it's me and
Rip me out the plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I'd spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Oh, so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you both. Gave the Bentley to ballet and let that nigga drive the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grease, she thought I would kiss her ass.
New whip got no keys, tell my clothes no starch, please. Soon as I nut, you can go leave. Got M's in the bank like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even peek at you.